Good morning, students. So, as we said, we are going to start the 10th standard syllabus, chapter number 1, chemical reactions and equations. Students, there are many basic things which are required to understand this chapter, which you have already learned in higher standards. For example, in 8th, 9th, you have learned about valencies. So, there are valencies of the periodic table, inside which we have already learned 1 to 20 elements, that is starting from hydrogen to calcium. So with this video you are supposed to learn that all the valencies should be by heart so that you can understand this chapter in a good way. Thank you. Okay students, let us go through the third example. Here the question is given in the word equation form. So it is in words. If you can see, zinc plus sulfuric acid gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Students, for this problem solving, you need to know zinc's symbol, how sulfuric acid is written, how zinc sulfate can be formed, and how hydrogen is written. So you should know standard 9th chapter number 4 table 4.1, which is already there in the NCERT textbook. So please refer to it. I will be sharing the JPG image and photographs related to it, so you can take a look on it. Now let us solve this problem. Zinc can be written in symbol form as Zn. Sulfuric acid can be written in the form of H2SO4. Zinc sulfate, that is ZnSO4, and hydrogen, that is H2. Now, if you see here, the left hand side, zinc is one molecule, hydrogen 2 molecules, sulfur 1 molecule, oxygen 4 molecules. Now on right hand side, zinc is 1 molecule, sulfur 1 molecule, oxygen 4 molecules, hydrogen 2 molecules. Now if you see, zinc, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, all are balanced. So this is a balanced equation. So dear students, you can also form chemical reaction from word equations as I have solved in this example. You can go for further practice as I will send some of the PDFs regarding solving this type of word equation problems. Thank you.